Hello everyone, today we'll be going over the Stinger P311 by Crosman. This is a spring-loaded airsoft pistol. In the box comes with the pistol, the magazine, and instruction manual. So let's start off with the pistol, okay? So there is a magazine release button right here, trigger right there. Safety, flipped up is on, flipped down is not unsafe. Keep it not unsafe right now. That's all about the gun. Let's go on to the magazine. So this is a 12 round airsoft magazine. You just pull this down right here, and then you put in the BBs. You press this button right here, and then it makes it easier to put them in. And right here is just to release the spring. Some of the BBs may fly out if you don't fill it up all the way. And the downside about this gun is if you take out the magazine, when there's still bullets in the magazine, the bullets will just get kind of stuck in the gun, but it doesn't matter, you can just shake those out. It's not a problem. So yeah, let's get into some shooting here. I'm just going to shoot a few rounds in this target I've got. So this is about 10 feet to that Amazon box target. Sorry about this, not great quality. So yeah, this is about 10 feet. Let's start shooting. I'm going to be shooting for the very center of that Amazon box. So yeah, this gun shoots a little high, about an inch or two. It's also completely made of plastic with, and last shot, if I've been counting correctly. So yeah, let's go back up to the box. So yeah, most of these I was aiming about right there. Hit right there, right there, right there, and right there. So yeah, I'd say this airsoft gun is pretty good. It's about $10-ish on Amazon, US dollars. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.